again. So today we are going to be making this protein Oreo cheesecake using simple ingredients. We need Cool Whip, cheesecake jello, Greek yogurt, and some Oreos. So I do start off by adding the whole container of the Greek yogurt to whatever bowl you want. Then I will go ahead and add a half of cup of the Cool Whip. These are just the measurements that I use, by the way, so you can critique it how you want. I did use 2 tablespoons of the jello cheesecake, and then here I am just mixing it up. As far as the Oreos, I will be using the serving size on here, which is just 9 cookies, and then I'm just going to crumble that up inside the mixture. After putting in the Oreos, I now have a protein cheesecake. Like, look how simple that is, and y'all, this is so good. Let me know if you try it. Bye.